Hello everyone, and welcome to the StockSharp channel. This is another video discussing Hydra analytics. Firstly, to fully understand what Hydra analytics is, we recommend watching our previous videos. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to work with another template called Chart. This template showcases advanced chart features, primarily focusing on displaying multiple data series simultaneously. It illustrates how to display candle close prices as one data series and the volume as another. Additionally, it demonstrates working with multiple instruments, not limited to just one, as shown in our previous video. But before we proceed, let's copy all of our settings from the previous session. Why, you may ask? To maintain consistency. Now, let's work with several instruments, those that we downloaded from Dukascopy earlier, and see what it looks like in action. As you can see, there are now two areas, the first one for prices and the second for volume. This mirrors what we set up in our script. The first chart displays prices as a dashed line, while the second chart visualizes the volume as a histogram. The next step involves enumerating our instruments. For each instrument, we load time-framed candles within a specified range and time frame. These data points are then displayed on both charts, the prices as a dashed line and the volume as a histogram. Here's a visual representation of what it looks like. This setup allows us to observe correlations and dependencies between different instruments. It provides insights into how they behave in relation to each other. We hope you find this feature useful in your trading endeavors. That concludes today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.